stuff. It's not an action camera though. Now my personal favorite
Right.
is
So
X3.
if I was to be saying doing an interview with you,
the fact that it's got a massive screen on the back, I can easily navigate through it.
let me just pause that so I can. So if I was saying, oh, Dennis, how you going? Blah, 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 blah.
Right. And I'm blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, you're probably saying you're the best videos on YouTube. That's what you probably would have said.
Probably, yeah.
If you read
But
the
not
script.
in English.
Read your script, mate. Not in English. Don't want anyone. Anyway, so if I was doing this, right, so that's facing me. Yeah, I'd have to put that into the app on the phone, right?
Yeah.
To do the editing. So
Right.
if I was to say, Dennis, blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 yes.
I'll go, really? Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
Well, hey. Well, now we've got everything we need to know out of Dennis. As you can tell, ladies and gentlemen, without a ukulele, you just cannot understand what he's saying. All right.